Today we're taking a look at the ProLogic L02 and a new function called Manager Mode. This is a mode that allows the manager of the location to enable or disable the entire group of users so they can't open the safe with a valid code in off hours. So for instance, if this lock is on a safe and you close your store at 11 p.m. at night, the manager can enter his code and that code will turn off all of the user codes until such time as the manager arrives in the morning again and enters his code. There are two codes that can do this. One is the manager code, ID01, and the other is the supervisor or second manager code, ID02. I'm going to show you how this works. In order to activate the manager mode, the supercode holder must access the system menu. And here's how he does that. First, he presses the menu button, and at select menu, he scrolls down until he sees system menu, and he presses OK. At this point, it asks for his code, so he enters his supercode, which is default 6 ones, and now he's gained access to the system menu. You can press the up button or the down button until he reaches manager mode. And it says enable manager. Press OK, and now manager mode has been enabled. What that means is the manager code ID01 and ID02 toggle on and toggle off, enabling and disabling all of the user codes. So as I enter my user code, you'll see that it verifies the user code and opens the safe. If I'm at the end of the shift and I'm now in manager mode, so the manager code does not open the safe, it merely toggles on and toggles off all of the user codes. So I enter the manager code, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You'll see the display reads all users have been disabled. Now, if I'm a user, I could enter my user code, and you'll see it says all users have been disabled, and I can't gain access to the safe now that the manager has toggled off my user capability, my user code capability. So that's an easy way to restrict access by valid code holders during periods of time throughout the day. Two codes are used to toggle on and toggle off all of the user codes. That is ID01, the manager code, and ID02, the second manager or supervisor code. So in the beginning of the morning, for instance, let's assume that we've turned off all the users that we have here at the end of the shift. Now in the morning, the supervisor is coming in. So the supervisor enters his code, and it turns on all the users. It says users enabled. Now the user codes can enter their code, and it allows the safe to be opened. That is how the manager mode works on the ProLogic L02 by SecureM Systems.